let's talk about conditional operators. First, let's start with if. So I will create a variable called age and I will make it as 20. Then I will create the if condition. So here is the if condition, and inside the brackets I will say if age greater than 18, and here I will add the log message you can vote. And on this if condition, it check the value inside this bracket. In this case, it check if this age greater than 18. If it pass through, this block will execute. But if it not execute, which mean if this false, it will ignore the code inside this brackets. So let's save and see the result. So in this case, it say you can vote because the age is equal 20, but if I make this age is as 10 and press save, we will not have a result because 10 is not greater than 18, which means here it falls. If it falls, JavaScript not execute this code inside the if condition brackets. Then we have else, and on else I will create a console log you can't vote, and I save it. When I save it, we got the you can't vote message. So code in else condition brackets only execute if this if condition fail. In this case, age is 10, 10 is greater than 18. This make false, which mean JavaScript will not execute inside this brackets and it will come to here. And from here it say else condition. Here we have else parameter, and in that case code on this else brackets will execute. And let's make this age as 20, and now if we try it, we have you can vote. And if this if condition execute, it will not execute the else condition. It will start to execute code from here. Okay, then we have else if condition. So for now I will comment the else parts, and here I will add else if, and on the brackets I will make age greater than 90, and I will add the console log, and I will say you you can vote if you can vote, or something like that. So now I save it. When I save it, currently we have age as 20. I will make this as 90. Maybe let's make it 94 and save it. So what we got is you can vote because the age is greater than 18, which means this statement become true. If this statement become true, it will execute code inside this brackets, and from here it will ignore the rest of condition statements and continue the executing code after the condition statement. So here what we have to do is we have to add the AND gate. Did you remember the AND gate? And here then we have to say age greater than 90 you can vote. So here we have the range. If age is greater than 18 and age is less than, not greater than, less than 90, you can vote. And on else if the age is less than 90, actually here I have to add age is greater than 90. If age is greater than 90, it's a you can vote if you can walk. So I will save this, and here we have age just 94, and 94 is greater than 18, which is true. And here we have AND gate, and here age is 94, 94 is less than 90, which is false. So this is statement become false and it not execute the code inside this if condition, and it come to else if part. On else if part, the age is 94 and it's greater than 90, and then this code execute. That's why here we got you can vote if you can walk. And also we can again add the else part. Let me add else part. I will uncomment this, and Let's save this and then let's make the age as 14. Now if we check all of those parameters, this become false, also this become false because the age is 14 and only this else will execute. Also we can add more than one else if like this, else if, and here is the condition, and here we have to add age greater than 100. Let's make console.log and let's say you can you can you can vote if you have ID or something like this. Then I will save this and let's make 140 as the age, and here again we have to add and condition on this else if because currently the age is 114 and here age is greater than 90. So 114 is greater than 90, so I will add and get an age less than 100. If age less than 100, this code will execute. Okay, now let's try it. So when we try it, it execute this part. Okay, this is all about if and else if. So in future lessons, we will choose those if else conditions more often.